Hello friends and welcome back to the video lessons of the IMPACT IELTS.com. This is my sixth video in listening part. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how to find the answers of the question type, which is known as leveling the map or sentence completion in a way. So you can see this question is a kind of leveling the map. So you can see a map is given to you and some landmark is given to you. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to find out that which landmark is situated in which part of this map. For example, here, if you look at the question, they're saying, look carefully at the plan of an Australian airport, then listen and answer question 1 to 4. So what you have to answer here, you have to say whether 1 is A or B or C or D or F. So what they're saying, write the correct letter A to H next to question 1 to 4. As you know that we get some time, about 30 seconds to go through the question. So when you get the time, what you have to do is you have to look at the map very carefully. You don't have to worry about them because they will come in sequence. So you just take a glance at the car park and you will keep moving in the map. So what you can see, for example, if your time begin at 30 seconds, what you can see, let me do this for you. So you can see that the side is given. So this one is north, this is south, west, east. So people can come here from the city because that's always a challenge that how will you enter here. Then you can see A, B, C, D, there is a walkway and there is a bus stop and these all things. So once the audio starts, you immediately have to follow the map. You have to see where exactly we have to start with. So I'm going to play the audio now and I will show you with this sign. You can see that how do I move and how do I get the answer. So let's listen to the audio.
The airport has 3 terminals which are joined together to form one large building shaped rather like a crescent. If you're coming from the city by car, you'll see a big cargo building on your left as you approach the airport, and then the car park is a rectangular building beyond this.
So you got the
you
first
can park
answer.
Your car.
This is car park. This is car park. So you will immediately, what you can do, you can write 1 here as well, or if you have time, you can write here. But I'll suggest to you to write down 1 here and then move ahead with the speaker. So let's go ahead.
There, and then make your way back into the terminals using the pedestrian walkway. For those who arrive from the city by bus, there are 2 bus stops at the airport. If you are flying to a city within Australia, you should get off at the first bus stop opposite the first building on your right. This is the domestic terminal, where all the flights to the major cities.
So second answer, this is the domestic terminal. So F is the domestic terminal. Next is lifts for you. So you go ahead.
Within Australia leave from. If you are going overseas, you will need to go to the international terminal, which is in the centre of the complex, so get off at the next bus stop. This terminal has a long, narrow concourse leading down to the departure gates. When you walk into the international terminal through the main entrance, you'll find yourself in a large hall where you check in for your flight. The toilets are on the left side of the concourse, and there are lifts leading up to the next floor on the right.
So lifts are
You'll find
on the
a variety of
lifts are on the right. So the answer of 3 is D. The one answer is remaining now is regional terminal. So listen.
Restaurants and bars on the first floor and shops selling clothes and souvenirs. But remember, there are strict hand luggage limitations, so don't buy more than you can carry in one bag. If you are flying to one of the small country towns, you will need to go to the regional terminal at the north end of the airport. Facilities are...
So regional terminal at the north end of the airport. You can say this is the north end. So this directions also works. So answer is B. So regional terminal is B. So you got all the answers. Let me repeat. E is the car park. F is the domestic terminal. D is the lift. And B is the regional terminal. So you can see how important to be with the speaker, and you just need to know what exactly you are trying to mark for, right? So thank you very much for watching this video. In the next video, perhaps we will take more question like leveling the map, but that could be a bit challenging. Thank you very much. Bye.